Good morning, students. My name is Dilip Mahto, and I am the math teacher of class 4. Previous classes we have read the comparing and ordering numbers and forming a large numbers. Okay. Now today we will read the Roman numbers, where we can convert the number in a Roman and Roman in a number. So I am giving a chart to use it. Here is a number and here is a Roman. The number is 1. We can write the one number is a Roman in like I, 5 like B, 10 like is X, 50 can be L, 100 can be C, 500 can be D, and 1000 can be M. These numbers can be used to form a Roman number of any numbers of any Hindu Arabic number. Okay. Before the forming the numbers in Roman, we want to know some rules, because without these rules we cannot write a number into Roman. Okay. For this I want to say there are some rules. The rules are: the first rule is BLD, that means B is 5, L is 50, D is 500. Never repeat. That means 5, 50 and 500. 550 and 500 never repeated in a Roman number. That means that alphabet will be used in a Roman number only once. The rule number 2 is IXCM, that means 1, 10, 100, 1000 can be repeated 3 times. That means this alphabet can be used in a Roman number 3 times maximum. Okay. The rule number 3 is said that if this is, as you know, that this is I and this is B. I, that means 1, B is equal to, that is 5. As you know, I'm going to say the rule number 3 is that if a smallest number is on the left side, this is the left side. If a smallest number is on the left side of a greatest number, then the number will be subtraction. Then we will subtract the smallest number by the greatest number. If a smallest number is on the left side of the greatest number, then we will subtract the smallest number by the greatest number, as you can see here. Okay, this is the greatest, this is the smallest. I am subtracting the smallest by the greatest. Now rule number 4 is said that if a smallest number is on the right side, this is the right side. If a smallest number is on the right side of the greatest number, then we will add the number, as you can see here, 5 plus 1. This is 5, this is 1. The smallest number is on the right of the greatest number, so we will add the number 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay. Now I am giving some questions to understand the rules. The first question is 120. Okay, 120 can be written as also 100 plus 20, and you know that you know the Roman numbers of 100, so we write 100 only, and we did not know the Roman numbers of 20, so 20 can be written as 10 plus 10. And as we know the rule number 2, that 10 can be repeated 3 times. Okay, but here is 2 times only, so it is correct. So we can write here 100's Roman number C, 10's Roman number X, 10's Roman number X. That C X axis will be 120. Okay. The next example is 140. 140 can be written as 100 plus 40. 100 plus 40. Okay. As you know that 100's Roman numbers we know, but we did not know the Roman numbers of 40. So can you write it 40 as like 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 4 times 10? No, because we know the rule number 2, that 10s can be repeated maximum 3 times, but here is 4 times, so it cannot be possible, and I cut the number, I cut it. Okay. Now we can write here 100 plus 100 is equal to 100 plus 40 can be written as also 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. Now 100's form is C, and as we know 50 minus 10, that is rule 3. Rule 3 that had said that if you write the first 50 is like L, and if the number is subtraction on 10, then 10 will be, that is X will be on the left side of the number, so XL. Okay, this is C, this is L, and the 10 will be on the left side of the L, so this is. Now I am giving a next example here also, 409. As we know that 400 can be written as 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. Okay, that is also 400. But as we know that rule number 2 has said that 100 cannot be repeated 3 times, maximum 3 times, more than 3 times, and here are 4 times, so it is wrong. So 400 can also be written as 500 minus 100, that is 400 400 plus 9, 409. Now 500 is on the chart, 100 is on the chart, 9 is not on the chart. So 500 is on 500, 100 is 100 plus 9 is not on the chart, so 9 can be written as also 10 minus 1. Yes. Then 500 can be written as D. 500 can be written as D. This is rule number 3. That is on the subtraction 100. So 100 will be on the left side of this number, C. Okay, 100, 500 D and 100 is C. This is the rule number 3. Plus here is also rule number 3. 10, the 10 Roman number is X and the 1 is on subtraction. The 1 Roman number will be on the left side of this number. Now we will make together this number C D I X. Okay, in this way we can write the Roman numbers of 409, and in this way we can also solve the various Roman numbers which will be given by you and which will be observed by you. Okay, the next points or next topics will be continued on the next class. Thank you.